All right, this lesson is homework practice 8-1. We're going to be working with coins. The students are pretty expert at this point on how much a coin is worth, but just working with them at home and helping them get more familiar with coins and making change and that sort of thing is always helpful. So we're going to be doing problems, we're solving problems with coins. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You can go ahead and read that on your own. I'm going to get to the bulk of the homework here. It says count on to find each total value. So we start with a quarter here that we know is 25 cents. And we have a dime, a dime, a dime, a dime. So I'm just going to write D, 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 D. And we know that a dime is 10 cents. So before they even write it out down here at the bottom, have them go and figure out how much it is, and then we're going to count on. So 25 plus 10 is 35 cents, plus 10 more is 45 cents, plus 10 more is 55 cents, plus 10 more is 65 cents. So our total is 65 cents. And help them get used to putting the symbols of cent and dollar sign in as well. Okay, now the number 2 says Mark has these coins. How many cents does Mark have? So we're going to need to add it all together. So right here we have a 50-cent piece. They should know this one because it's got JFK on it, 50-cent piece. And then I'm not going to count on. I'm just going to, actually, let's go ahead and count on. That'll make it easier for them. So this is a dime. It's worth 10 cents. Another dime is 10 cents. A penny is 1 cent. Penny, 1 cent. So we'll go ahead and add 50 plus 10 is 60 cents. Plus 10 more is 70 cents. Plus 1 is 71 cents. Plus 1 more is 72 cents. So we have a total of 72 cents. You can also put plus signs next to this so that they know exactly how to do it. So let's go ahead and flip it over to our next page here, and I'll get the tape ready and get it all flipped over. Okay, higher order thinking. Find the coins needed to buy each toy. Write the fewest coins possible. Write how many of each coins to use. So this is 67 cents. So our first one is 67 cents. And we want to use the fewest number of coins. So we can start here with one 50-cent piece. So 50, let's go ahead and go over here to the dime. 60, 65 would be 1 nickel. 66, 67. They can actually write out the numbers, or they can do tally marks, whichever way is best. So we're looking for the fewest number of coins. So starting with the 50-cent piece is always really nice because that takes up the majority of how many coins we would need to use. The piggy bank here is 82 cents. So let's go ahead and start with one 50-cent piece. So we have 50 cents. We need to get up to 82. So let's do 50 plus, if we add 25, 50 plus 25 will give us 75, so we can add 1 more there. So we're at 50, 75. Let's see. We could do 85 with a dime, but that would be too much because it's 82 cents. So that means we're going to need to go to a nickel. So 50, 75, 80, and then we know we'll need 2 pennies. 82. Okay, 46 cents is this teddy bear. We can't start with a 50-cent piece because that's too big. So let's go over here to our quarter. So let's do 1 quarter. So that's 25. We need to count up to 46. So 25. Let's see, we could do 35, 45. We could do 2 of the dimes. So 25, 35, 45. And we need to get to 46, so that would be 1 more penny. Number 4, this is our assessment. Again, these Common Core, the C within a C, these are exactly what we're going to see on the test and the assessment. So these give us a good rundown of what we need to be ready for. Will has 37 cents. Which coins could he have? Choose all that apply. So that means there's probably more than one. So we'll go through and do this. 25, 35, 36, 37. Well, that was easy. Let's take a look at our next one. 25, 26, 27. That will not work. Let's take a look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. That won't work. 25 plus 5 is 30, plus 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36, plus 1 is 37. So we found our two that worked for Will having 37 cents. Okay, for number 5 assessment, Jamal has these coins. Quarter, quarter, quarter. Okay, I'm just going to write above 25 cents, 25 cents, and 25 cents so that I know exactly how much those are worth. He needs 85 cents to buy a car. How many more cents does Jamal need? Then we need to draw the coin or coins that he needs. So we know 25, 50, 75. So we have 75 cents. And the way I teach it with the students is we go 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1 for the number of coins we need to equal 100 cents. Okay, so he has 75 cents. He needs 85 cents. So they should be able to count on this one, but I'm just going to do 85 minus 75 is 10 cents. So how many more cents does he need? He needs 10 cents. Now draw the coin or coins he needs. So they could do 1 dime. Normally when I have them draw it, I just do a circle with a D for a dime. They could also do 2 nickels. They could do a nickel and 5 pennies, or they could do 10 pennies. So they can come up with a way that they would like to express how to do it.